is a move in volleyball or which players use to score. They basically hit the ball in their palm of their hand directly at the ground of the opposite team. Blocking is a move in volleyball on which players use to prevent the opposite team to score. You basically go near the net and jump as high as you can and put your hands like this. A set is used by a setter when they want to pass the ball to the attacker, like this. Serve is used when you go behind the line and use an overhand serve, and you need to make sure that the ball goes over the net.
Beauty of a serve. They make the swing.
Passing is a common move in volleyball, which a player uses to move the ball in the court without touching the ground, like this.